Hi everyone, have a warm welcome, especially to the new subscribers. For these eggs, I am using 3 slices of Muenster cheese and a ciabatta roll. The ciabatta roll, I'm going to cut it in half for a sandwich. I'm also using an avocado, half of a lime or a lemon, whatever you have at home, 2 eggs, and a few slices of that tomato. Few tomato slices. But first I have to get everything ready. Starting with the eggs, add salt and pepper, and reserve. Meanwhile, on a toaster, warm up the bread and add a slice of cheese to each half. The cheese will adhere to the bread. Warm up the pan on low temperature for 5 minutes and add the eggs. Then squeeze half of a lime or a lemon. At this point, and mix well really quick to integrate the lime juice with the eggs. And you have to cook them to your liking. Very well done or lightly done. Now add the eggs on 1/2 of the bread. Then add the last slice of cheese. Consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done so already. And a like helps me a lot. So consider both things. Then add the tomatoes and the avocado slices. And don't forget to season that with salt. You can add pepper to that if you want to. That is sea salt, by the way. The cheese and the avocado balance the eggs. The little acidity that you're going to feel in the eggs is balanced by the cheese and the avocado. And the tomatoes bring out summer memories, really. It's a very rural recipe that works very well together. Ciao, see you in the next video.